Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Weekend with Reigncane. I'm Brian, host of the show, co-founder of Reigncane. Today we have a cocktail for Halloween. Almost wore my Halloween costume, but it's you know, one of those dinosaur things where it looks like you're riding on top of a dinosaur, and then it has this inflatable dinosaur head, and that's kind of difficult. So I'm not wearing the costume. Anyway, a red orangish kind of liqueur, you know, creepy color. And then we got a surprise at the end. Dry ice, that's the surprise. All right, let's get to the cocktail. All right, first things first, 2 ounces of Reigncane. And we're going to follow that up with an ounce of Aperol. Never had Aperol. It's kind of like a bitter orange liqueur. That's what it tastes like a bitter orange. Then we're going to squeeze in there just 1 Lime Wedge and 1 Lemon Wedge. And we're just gonna add our ice and shake it. All right, folks, here's the trick with dry ice. To keep it at the bottom of your glass, you're gonna put the dry ice in first. Ta-da. And then you're going to throw ice cubes on top of that. And look at that thing go. And I'm going to top it off with just a splash of tonic. I hope you guys enjoy this one. As far as taste, it's citrusy. It has a little bit of a bitter taste, especially because Tonic has a slight sweetness and a bitterness to it. And then the Aperol, same thing, slight sweetness and a bitterness. And then it's just citrus mixed with Reigncane. So this is not a super sweet cocktail. It definitely has a bitterness to it, but it still tastes great if you're a fan of those kind of drinks. And dry ice. Add that to any cocktail. It's going to be Halloween themed. So I hope that tip and trick worked for you guys with the dry ice at the bottom of normal ice. And then aside from that, don't put a huge chunk in there. I wanted it to last a while and make a big cloud, but obviously too much because the bubbles are making my whole drink spill over. So not that much dry ice. Anyway, cheers. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next week. And I don't know, anything. Cheers.